H2k Infosys provides world-class online IT training, staffing and software testing solutions to customers worldwide. H2k Infosys supports 100% job-oriented training, hands-on project work, cloud test lab, resume preparation and review, mock interviews, robust syllabus. One-time pay, lifetime access to live classes and videos. H2k Infosys has won the trust of thousands of students worldwide. For free demo class, visit h2kinfosys.com.
Hello everyone, welcome to H2k Infosys. H2k Infosys is e-verified business based in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. It provides world-class IT training on real-time projects, job placement assistance, and technical support. The website is www.h2kinfosys.com. About me, my name is Jairam. I work as a senior Java developer having 10 plus years of experience in Java J2E and worked on different domains like telecom, banking, and healthcare. Now the agenda for this presentation would be introduction to the organization, Java job opportunities, modules covered in Java, and enrollments. Now talking about the organization, H2k Infosys provides world-class service in IT training with real-time project work for corporates and individuals. It provides special IT training for MS students in US. It provides software design, development, manual testing, automation testing, and performance testing, as well as the maintenance. It even provides the IT staff augmentation, job placement assistance, and technical support. Now talking about the software design lifecycle, this is the important phase of any software to be developed or any product to be developed. Now we have got the planning and requirement analysis phase, the defining requirements phase, designing the product architecture phase, building or developing the product phase, testing, deployment, and maintenance. So talking about each phase in a very short or a brief introduction about each and every phase. When you talk about the planning is the phase wherein the senior members of the team basically get the inputs from the customers about the product to be developed. And then we would be having the defining requirements phase wherein it clearly defines and documents the product requirements, and it's done basically by the software requirement specification document, or we say it as a SRS. Now in the designing the product architecture phase, it is basically done by the architects to come out with the best architecture for the product to be developed using the design document specification. And then we would be having the development phase, wherein it is basically done by the developers by the help of the design document specifications. They use high-level programming language like C, C++, Java, PHP for coding the product. And then after development, we have the testing phase, which is basically done by the testers. Functionality of the product has been tested and product defects are reported, tracked, fixed, and tested. Now, after completion of all the phases like planning, defining, designing, development, testing, the final stage is nothing but the deployment phase, wherein the final product would be deployed and which can be used by the customers. Now, talking about the development phase, wherein you can develop an application using any of the high-level programming language. But in this presentation, we will be talking about Java. So why Java? Java is, first of all, it's simple and easy to learn. It's platform independent. It's been used by many different companies and lots of job openings because it's been used by different other companies around the globe. Now, once you talk about or learn any of the courses, the next step would be to find a job. Now, in order to find a job, you can hit into the major websites like Dice, Career Builder, Monster, Indeed. Now, if you just search for Java, you would find a lot of openings in Java along with a combination of Springs, Hibernate, web services, job messaging services, and plenty of other combinations as well. Now, we're going to talk about the modules covered in Java. Now, the very first module what we are going to cover up in Java is the core Java, which is in the center out here. And then once we finish up core Java, we will be talking about the advanced concepts, like how do you build a website using HTML and servlets and JSPs. Okay. And after finishing up the advanced concepts, like servlets and JSPs, we would be moving on to Spring. Spring is basically a framework, or you can say it as an enterprise framework, wherein it is basically used for a very large applications. It is completely configured. And once we finish up Spring, we would be moving on to Hibernate. Hibernate is nothing but a ORM framework, that is an object relationship mapping framework, with the help of which we can talk to different databases. And it's pretty much famous because of its simplicity. And once we finish up Hibernate, we would be moving on to web services. Now, web service is nothing but a service-oriented architecture with the help of which you can talk to different other platforms also. Like in this case, we have got Microsoft.NET, or it could be any other different programming language you can talk to. Even we can use web services in order to interact with Java to Java as well. So we would be using SOAP UI also in order to test the web service. And then we will be talking about Apache Tomcat when we learn about servlets and JSPs. In the meantime, we would be talking about XMLs also. All right. And then we would be even talking about JUnit. So this is a testing framework for testing your code. Okay. And this is mainly used by the developers. And then we will be talking about Java messaging services also. So this is again sending a message to any other different application asynchronously. Now, talking about the H2k Infosys, you can get more information about H2k Infosys by visiting their website, that is your www.h2kinfosys.com. You can find lot many information about it in the website. You can click on the About Us, click on the courses, and if you want to get information about a particular course, you can just click on that. Now, even you can see there are many other different courses which has been provided by H2k Infosys. So let us go and click one of the link, that is a Java J2 link, and see what all informations we have it inside. So here you can see the basic introduction about Java and a couple of features about it. But at the bottom you can see there is a tab known as a syllabus. Click on that and you can find all the information about what all courses we teach in Java. Now, if you want to get into finding out the reviews about H2k Infosys, you can very well click on more reviews. So this is just a review summary image out here. If you want to get more information about H2k Infosys reviews, you can very well get into the Facebook link, Google link, Kudzu link, and as well as YouTube reviews also. Now, H2k Infosys, if you get into the YouTube link, there are many videos which has been uploaded by H2k Infosys. You can go there and watch those videos to have a better understanding of the reviews. Okay. Now, for enrollments, you can reach out to us at 770-777-1269. We are available from 9 a.m. EST till 9:30 p.m. EST 7 days a week. So we work on national holidays also. For any email communication, you can use h2kinfosys@gmail.com or training@h2kinfosys.com. So thank you. This is Jairam here signing off from H2k Infosys.